how to bulk delete Instagram posts. So in order to do that, you can just see in here all the posts that you have created. So I have in here this post. So in order to bulk delete top of them, I just need to click on the three lines right here on my profile page. Scroll down until you reach this Your Activity. And then scroll down until you reach this post. Click on that. And then you can see in here all of the posts that you have. So in order to select all bulk select, just click on the select right here. And then select all of the posts that you want deleted. For example, I'll head over and then delete the duplicate post right here. So I'll head over and delete this right here. And then once I have done that, I just need to head over and then click on this delete option. Then click on delete. And then you should be able to see this little bit. As you can see, some of those posts have been deleted. Now let's head back right here onto our homepage and then let's refresh this. Then as you can see, those posts has been deleted in here as well. So that's how you bulk delete Instagram posts. Hope we helped.